guys! Kamusta kayo? This is Mikay, the storyteller for today. Today is Sunday. Katatapos lang po ng Children's Mass. We are celebrating the first World Children's Day. And in line with Flores de Mayo 2024, Santa Cruzan was held inside the church compound. Santa Cruzan is held in honor of Queen Helena, mother of Constantine the Great. She led a pilgrimage to find the cross that Jesus was crucified on and brought the cross back to Rome. It is a celebration of faith and tradition in the Philippines which started in 1800. Nandito po kami sa Dubai, but we have got our chance to see the Santa Cruzan. Salamat po sa Philcom community sa pag-o-organize ng Santa Cruzan sa loob ng St. Mary's Church.
Good.